channel, and today I'm going to talk to you about why I just purchased $100,000 of this one stock and why I think it's a great long-term smart investment. So what's everyone talking about these days? Bitcoin, EV, marijuana stocks. While these are all interesting options, they may not be the most sensible investment and are a high-risk way to become wealthy. Notice that I use the word investment for the stock that I purchased as opposed to speculation or gambling for items such as the EV, marijuana, and Bitcoin. So if you really want to become financially free, you need to ask yourself, how much am I willing to lose, or how big of a risk am I going to take in order to become wealthy? Because investing in the stock market is a great long-term, high probability bet that you become wealthy, while speculation is a low probability that you become wealthy in a shorter amount of time. So ultimately, my rule is never to lose money, and with speculative assets, I can't guarantee that. So without further ado, here's the stock that I just purchased, which is the S&P 500 Index ETF. I live in Canada, so it's the Canadian version, but ultimately there's tons of different options to replicate the S&P 500. So why did I buy this one? Well, Warren Buffett, one of the greatest investors of all time, suggests that for most people, the best thing to do is own the S&P 500 Index. So even Warren has opted to put his money in the S&P 500 when he passes away for his wife. So if that's not a wake-up call for you, I don't know what is, because if it's good enough for him, it's good enough for me. So this is a super easy way to add diversification to your portfolio. What's more is you don't have to worry about picking the winning stocks versus the losers. When you have to buy and sell. Most people never get into the stock market because they don't know when to buy, when to sell, what the stock value is worth. They think a stock market crash is coming, a correction's coming, and they really never just get into the market because they're too scared and fear is controlling all of this. So if you just buy the S&P 500 Index ETF, you're pretty much on a surefire way to, over time, build good net worth. But if that wasn't enough, these are low-cost options, which is important because it won't cut into your returns over time. Beyond all of that, the US stock market has delivered 10% average historically, and you really can't get a better return than that unless you're doing speculative assets. So I think this is a great option for myself, and next time you invest, you should really look at something like this as well. So I hope you liked the video. Please comment and subscribe and smash that like button so I can make more videos and so that I know that you enjoyed this. So thanks again.